Here is our house. It's like making a roof by extruding. Click and he offers us to choose the plane on which we will draw our extrusion sketch. We will create a rounded roof shape. We can choose the plane of the wall. The level on which we will draw is the first floor. There will be no displacement yet. In order for us to continue drawing, we can do it on some cut, or just choose. Let it be just some kind of spline. Here we have a sketch of some kind of roof. Click Apply, and now we have a roof of the shape we need by ordinary extrusion. After we have made such a roof by extrusion, the walls are also perfectly tied to it. We can also tie up. We will get such an interesting building. And the last type of roofs is roof by face. In this type of roofs, the most difficult thing is to create a form. It will take the most time. And the roof is built simply with the click of a button.